In this video, we will learn how we can set the effects on our image in Adobe Express. For that, let's say we want for the following image. For that, you can see the image section is visible. Go below, click on effects. That's it. When you click on effects, you can see the difference. The current one is the none one, the basic none. If you want a grayscale effect, click on grayscale and it will change. Darken, the same. Tint or colorize, you can change it. Dual tone is visible. That is duotone. You can change it to this, or this looks good, or the black and white theme is the following. You can change it here, and to implement it, I'll just keep this here. You just need to keep the cursor here. That's it. It will get updated. If you want to go to the same effect, click on it. Click on effects. Click on none. The same one will be visible here. So in this way, we can easily set effects using the following option. Thank you for watching the video.